Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Brave browser is not loading images. So to start, open Brave browser. Now go to the three lines at the top right, then scroll down to settings. Now at the left side, go ahead and click privacy and security. And in here, click site and shield settings. So make sure you click site and shield settings. Then from here, scroll down to content and make sure you click images. So click images, and from here, go to default behavior and make sure or ensure that sites can show images is selected. Now go back and try that again and see if that fixed the issue. Now another thing you can do is to clear cache. So click the three lines at the top right, then go to delete browsing data, and from here, choose the time frame at the top. You can also choose all the time. And down here, make sure you click cookies and other site data and cache images and files. So clearing the browser cache can resolve loading issues. So once you select these two, go down to the bottom and click delete from this device. Then try again and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to disable extensions. So if you have extensions that might be causing conflicts, try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.